Hello and welcome back to the final lesson of this series. Today I will be going over the project details, when it's due, total points, the rubric, and how to use the application that we will be using. If you go to our class website, we will be going to the homework page, and we will scroll down past the PowerPoint, quiz, that's the rubric, we'll get to that later, and we'll go to here. So what you'll do is you'll just click on it and it will load. Alright, so as you can see, I'm already signed into my account, but if you are not signed in, you will need to make a account with them. It does not cost anything. We never buy anything in this class. You will insert your student ID for the username, and Advanced Hornets or something that you can remember as the password. So to get started, we're going to look up a poster. So we're actually going to just browse templates. We're going to go, come back. We're just going to go all templates. Alright, so from here, you can pick anything that you like. Make sure that it was going to go with what we're learning about, which is solids, liquids, and gases. So say we want to use winter templates because snow and water and ice. Let's go ahead and just use this one here, just for the time being, and we're going to just customize it. I'm going to move myself to here. Okay, so we will be using this one. Actually, it's not what I wanted. Hold on. There we go. Alrighty. So what we will be doing is we will be editing this. You'll see it is kind of hard to manipulate some things. So you need to be extra careful when adding and replacing things. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and lock all of these pictures in place. So that we can then work with just the text. Okay, so we're actually going to delete that, and we will add in, go over here to text, add plain text, come up here, go solids, liquids, and gases. Then we'll stretch that across, make the color of it white. Move it down here where the old text was, and we will slide that sizing up. Well, not that much. Alrighty. There. About like that, and then stretch it across more, so that's all on one line. So you will go ahead and do this for the rest of them. You'll go ahead and finish up these posters. They are due next week by Wednesday. We will have a work day to work on them. I will add a turn-in section on our class website so that you can do that. Now that that's gone over with, we're going to go back to our class website and we'll just go over this rubric. Alrighty. So first things first, you will put your name and just put the date right beside of it. I slipped my mind to add that. So these are the requirements for it. You are required to have graphics, the graphic clarity, so the clearness of the pictures, graphic relevance, so if there is Fortnite on there, there needs to be a reason why Fortnite is on there. Required elements, so these are equal to, you have to have solid liquids and gases on there, one picture of each, and their description. Grammar, so make sure that everything is spelled correctly. Make sure there's no punctuation mistakes or anything, and then make sure that it says solid liquids and gases as the title. This is listed here. I will add my notes from today in on our class website in just a little bit so that whenever you go and check on it, they are there. I wish you the best of luck. Have fun, be creative with it, and make sure that it follows these guidelines. Have a good evening.